Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Picsart and importing the photo you want darker. This preserves time later. First, crop and frame the subject so exposure changes affect the right area, and then duplicate the layer. This keeps an original copy if you need to revert. Once done, make sure the duplicated layer is selected. You will apply edits there. This first step prevents accidental loss and gives you precise control, so you can dial darkness without degrading the original image. Now you focus on how to darken without crushing detail. Reduce exposure gradually, try -0. 5 then -1. 0 because big jumps lose texture. Next, open curves and gently pull the midtone region downward. This targets perceived brightness while keeping highlights intact. Once done, use selective or brush tools to darken specific areas like background or edges. This avoids making skin or important highlights too dull. Make sure to zoom in. Finish by refining the mood. Add a subtle vignette or dark overlay to guide the eye and unify tones. Then, tweak contrast and saturation slightly to restore depth and color richness after darkening. Small adjustments often make the image pop again. Export a test at full size and inspect shadows and highlights. If you see clipping or blocked blacks, reduce the earlier exposure / curves changes or increase the shadows slider. That troubleshooting step preserves detail while keeping the darker look you want.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.